I'm Jackie Nugent, chef, dietitian, and cookbook author, and I'm sharing with you today 4 of the ways to make Greek yogurt sweet. So a lot of people will say to me, I love that idea of Greek yogurt, but it's just a little tangy when it's plain. So what I love to do is take the plain yogurt and sweeten it myself. There's so many different sweetened yogurts on the market, which of course you can choose, but it's kind of fun just to be able to play with them yourself. So to start with, to sweeten it, there's a couple different ways that I like to do it. One is a little bit of honey, and I like to go with a mild honey just to not overpower the flavor of the yogurt. So for about a cup of yogurt, maybe about a tablespoon plus a teaspoon of mild honey. You can also use agave nectar. The option, if you wanted to save calories, for a cup of the plain yogurt, a couple packets of sweetener, and this is a stevia-based sweetener, which is more of a naturally derived sweetener. So that's one way. That's to kind of get the base of the sweetness. You can also add sweetness just by adding a few drops of an extract. There's so many different extracts on the market, so it's not just vanilla, not just almond, but there's coffee and orange and lemon and all these different varieties. So do look for some new flavor extracts and experiment with your yogurt. And something else you can do is use a sweet spice. And a couple of my favorite sweet spices, one is cinnamon, the other is ginger. So just adding a little pinch of that, even if you didn't add sweetener, is actually going to bring out a little bit of extra sweetness. And then the final touch is, this is a great way actually to use up any fruit that's about ready to become overripe or you don't know what to do with it. Just mash it up. So if it looks like it's about mashable, just go ahead and mash it. And that's what I'm doing here. I had some leftover banana, so I'm just mashing that up. And this is a way you can actually add sweetness naturally, and you get all of the goodness of the fruit. And this is going to be your natural sweetener for your yogurt. And so if you use some of the fresh fruit, you probably don't need to add the honey or the agave nectar or any other type of sweetener. Okay, so I've added my banana. The next thing I'm going to add is a little bit of almond extract. You really don't need that much, just really a couple drops is going to give you a lot of wonderful flavor. And to finish this up, just a little dash of cinnamon, and I am ready to dig in. I hope you are too. So please do enjoy, and please visit my website at jackienugent.com.